Welcome to the Bravura Security Demo Series featuring Bravura Safe Mobile for Android. This video will demonstrate common features of the Bravura Safe application on an Android mobile device. Topics covered in this video include installing the Bravura Safe mobile app and logging into your Bravura Safe account, an overview of the main components of the Bravura Safe mobile user interface, unlocking a Bravura Safe account using Biometrics, logging into a web account using Bravura Safe Autofill, using the Bravura Safe password generator, and securely transmitting sensitive information using Bravura Safe Share. Employees require the ability to adhere to corporate security policies while away from the office, store and access corporate passwords and other sensitive information easily and securely, safely perform confidential work tasks using a mobile device and trusted app on the go, securely access saved login credentials, credit card information, identity information, and secure notes wherever they are, make changes to stored items on the fly, and securely share sensitive secrets with colleagues quickly and conveniently, potentially outside of the organization. The Bravura Safe mobile app is a portable version of the popular WebSafe, with many of the same features. The mobile app includes secure encrypted storage that can be accessed on the go using your single master password, a configurable auto lock after a specified safe timeout, account unlock using biometrics such as fingerprint or Face ID, a familiar intuitive mobile user interface for managing and using logins, credit card and identity information, and secure notes, randomly generated strong passwords with configurable specs, and Bravura Safe Share, which makes controlled sharing of sensitive text and files secure, easy, and convenient. The Bravura Safe mobile app is available for download to your Android mobile device from the Google Play Store. Search for Bravura Safe and select it from the search results. Install and open Bravura Safe. This will bring you to the Bravura Safe login page. Before you can log in, you have to point the mobile app to your corporate instance of Bravura Safe. This is done by opening Settings, adding your Bravura Safe instance server URL, and then tapping Save. Enter your Bravura Safe account email address for the specified server URL, and tap Continue to proceed. Like the WebSafe, the Bravura Safe mobile application uses your master password to secure your account. Type your master password, and then tap Login with Master Password. If your Bravura Safe instance is set up to use two-factor authentication via email, authenticator app, or another method, you will need to obtain and enter a verification code and tap Continue to proceed. This will take you to the Safe page. Now we'll provide a brief overview of the main components of the Bravura Safe mobile user interface. The mobile app Safe page is very similar to the MySafe or TeamSafe pages in the product WebSafe. Familiar features allow you to view your personal safe items or those of a team safe to which you have been granted access. Access shared collections from anywhere. Add, manage, and use safe items from your mobile device, including logins, cards, identities, and secure notes. Stay organized by accessing your existing personal folders or adding new ones on the go. Use search, filters, and favorites to quickly find what you need when you need it. Clone, move, delete, and add attachments to items easily from your phone, and even restore or permanently delete items sent to the trash. In addition, many of the settings available in the WebSafe can also be accessed using the Bravura Safe mobile application by tapping Settings here at the bottom. We'll be looking at some of these in more detail shortly. To return to the Safe page, tap Safe. To ensure you have the latest shared items, you can quickly sync your Bravura Safe mobile app manually by first tapping the More icon here and then tapping Sync. You can also manually lock your account from here, or exit Bravura Safe. Tapping Exit will close the application and lock your account on the device. Next, we'll take a deeper look at locking and unlocking your mobile Bravura Safe account. We'll begin with a comparison of logged in versus locked. Once logged in, meaning your master password has been used as the source of the key required to decrypt and download your safe data to your device, your Bravura Safe account can and should be locked when not in use to secure the encrypted data stored on your device. Going back to Settings, you can lock your account manually or automatically based on the Safe Timeout value with the Safe Timeout Action option set to lock. Once locked, Bravura Safe supports biometric unlock for Android devices. In the event that Biometrics fails, you can always unlock an account using your master password. Before enabling Unlock with Biometrics in Bravura Safe, you first need to configure the desired biometric method in your Android device's native settings. Methods include fingerprint or Face ID authentication. Follow the biometric configuration instructions for your mobile device and OS version before enabling the setting in Bravura Safe. For this demonstration, we've turned on biometrics on our device and added a fingerprint. Now the option is available here in Settings. We'll need to enable biometric authentication in Bravura Safe before we can use it to unlock accounts. Tap Unlock with Biometrics. Then, touch the fingerprint sensor with the finger added in your native device settings. Unlock with Biometrics is now enabled. Now we'll demonstrate unlocking Bravura Safe using fingerprint authentication. When your account is locked, I'll do this manually using the Lock Now option, you can unlock the account using your master password or save time and tap Use Biometrics to unlock. Then, touch the fingerprint sensor with the finger added in your native device settings. And you're back in business. Now we'll take a look at the Autofill capability in the Bravura Safe mobile application. Autofill saves you time while keeping your login credentials secure. When you access a web account login page, Bravura Safe will use the URL to auto-detect any matching login items saved in your safe and present them to you for a quick, easy, and secure login. Depending on the Android version on your device, there are 4 ways to enable and use Autofill. Autofill Service for Android 8 Plus, Inline Autofill for Android 11 Plus, Draw Over for Android 6 Plus, and Accessibility for all Android versions. In this video, we'll cover the Autofill service and inline autofill. For information about using accessibility or draw over, please refer to Bravura Safe product documentation. The Bravura Safe Autofill service uses the Android Autofill framework to assist with filling in login information for web accounts and applications accessed from your device. To enable the Bravura Safe Autofill service, tap Settings. Tap Autofill Services. Tap to enable the Autofill service toggle switch. This will take you to Android settings. Choose Bravura Safe. Then tap OK. For now, we'll disable inline autofill. And go back to return to the settings page, and once more to return to My Safe. Now, when you navigate to a web account login page, for which you have a matching login item saved in Bravura Safe, and select a credential field, the Autofill service will overlay a pop-up near the field, presenting you with the matching login item that you can select to autofill credentials. Let's go back and launch the web account login page again. From the pop-up, you can also select the Autofill with Bravura Safe option to go to your safe. Tap More, and then Edit to make any required changes to the saved login item before autofilling. You can add and autofill a new login item, or search for a different login item to select and autofill. Next, we'll enable inline autofill, which requires that the autofill service also be enabled. To begin, tap Settings. Tap Autofill Services. Enable Use Inline Autofill. This setting will be saved automatically when you leave the page. We'll return to My Safe. In this case, when you navigate to a web account login page, for which you have a matching login item saved in Bravura Safe, and select a credential field, Inline Autofill will overlay the matching login item above the keyboard. And, launching the website one more time, and selecting a credential field, again, you can also tap on the Bravura Safe option to go to your safe as shown previously, where you can edit, add, search, and autofill. As with the product WebSafe, you can use the password generator tool in the Bravura Safe mobile app to generate usernames or random strong passwords and passphrases for new or existing login items without having to remember them. With the password type selected, you can view the current generated password, regenerate a new password, copy the current password to the device clipboard, and specify requirements according to your corporate password policy. You can do the same for a passphrase by changing the password type and tapping OK. Passphrase is similar to password. You can view the generated passphrase, regenerate, copy, or specify options. For both types, you can access password history by tapping More. This is really useful if you used a generated password or passphrase for a web account but forgot to save it to the login item in Bravura Safe. We've got your back. From the password history page, you can view, copy, or clear past passwords or passphrases. Let's return to My Safe. You can also randomly generate a strong password for a specific login item. This is particularly handy during password changes. While changing a web account password and viewing or editing the associated login item, you can first copy and enter the current password. Edit the login item, and then generate a new or stronger password directly by tapping the Generate Password icon. Tapping Yes to overwrite the current password, changing the type if needed, selecting a randomly generated password or passphrase, and then tapping Save. Now you can copy and apply the new password to your web account and save the change there. Now that was easy. Finally, using the Bravura Safe app on your mobile device, you also have access to the popular Share tool. Use Bravura Safe Share to securely transmit sensitive information to anyone using a randomly generated secure link that is end-to-end encrypted, time-limited, and optionally password protected. To create a share, tap here or tap the Add a Share button if it's your first one. This will display the Add Share page. You can share a file or text via a secure link. Let's start with a file which is already selected. First, give the share a descriptive name. Then, tap Choose File. Open your Files app if needed and select the file you want to share via secure link. The file name appears here. Note that for Bravura Safe Mobile, the maximum file size is 100 megabytes. If you'll be sending this share right away, enable this option to launch share methods once it is saved, and then specify secure sharing options. These include a selected or custom deletion date and time, a selected or custom expiration date and time, a maximum access count, after which it can no longer be accessed, an optional password required for access, any private notes pertaining to the share. You can also hide your email address from recipients and disable the share if needed so no one can access it. Note that default values include a 7-day deletion date and an expiration date set to never expire. You will want to specify appropriate and secure options for your share. Once you're done creating your share, tap Save. Since we enabled sharing upon save, we are presented immediately with sharing methods. From here, you can copy the secure link to send to the recipient using your secure corporate chat or email application. Use Nearby Share, if enabled on your device, to transmit the secure link via Bluetooth to a nearby device. Or, where appropriate, share the secure link using one of your favorite device apps. Back on the Share page, you can view, edit, and resend your undeleted past shares. Tap the More icon for a share. To edit the saved share, copy the secure link, or open sharing methods to resend the secure link. You can also delete a share from here. In addition to sharing a file, you can also share text. Simply name the share, add your text, hide the text from any prying eyes by default when accessed, and as with file share, show share methods upon save if desired, specify any share options, and then tap Save. As you can see, Bravura Safe Mobile for Android offers easy, reliable, and secure methods for teams and individuals to store, use, and share sensitive data. This concludes our demonstration of the Bravura Safe mobile application for Android. Thanks for tuning in. Bravura Security offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click the links in the description below to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.